On the mixer next to the screen, press Scene, Surround, Recall, and Yes to confirm. Choose the custom layer by pressing both buttons at the same time. Choose the master LR. Press Processing. The mixer is in a state where it will be possible to hear audio from the computer. Experiment with a YouTube video. If you still do not hear, check that YouTube is not muted and that it has the level in the maximum. If you can hear the audio from the computer, finish the tutorial here. If not, continue to the next step. The operating system settings may be changed for several reasons. Go to System Preferences, Sound, Output, and select Q16 Audio. If this option is not available, check if the mixer's USB cable is connected to the computer. If not connected, you may need to restart your computer. If the computer still does not recognize the presence of the mixer, the system may have a serious problem and you must notify the services. Unfortunately, it will not be possible to continue using the equipment until a maintenance inspection. You can finish the tutorial here or start over. If the Q16 audio option is available, select it. Also, go to the input and select Q16 audio. You can close this panel. Experiment with a YouTube video. If you still do not hear, check that YouTube is not muted and that it has the level in the maximum. If you can hear the audio from the computer, finish the tutorial here. If not, continue to the next step. Open Finder and in the Applications, navigate to Utilities. Open the Audio MIDI Setup program. Select Q16 Audio on the left, choose Output and click Configure Speakers. In the new window, choose Configuration, Stereo, and assign channel 17 to left and channel 18 to right at the bottom. Click on Apply. Again at the top, select Configuration 5.1 Surround and assign left channel 17, right channel 18, center channel 19, subwoofer channel 20, left surround channel 21, right surround channel 22. Press Apply and then Done. You can close the panel. Experiment with a YouTube video. If you still do not hear, check that YouTube is not muted and that it has the level in the maximum. There are no more steps in this tutorial. If the computer does not play sound, notify the services. It will be necessary to carry out a maintenance inspection.